my goal as a biochemistry major is to work in the industry after I graduate. I arrived at Temple because I went to high school in North Philly, so I wanted to stay local, and I noticed that the transportation was really easy. Like the stop at Cecil Lee Moore is like an easy 10-minute walk to any place on campus. So I commuted for 3 years from South Philly, and this year I decided to stay at an apartment. So now I walk to Temple. And I arrived at Temple Ambler because after COVID, I wanted to get into like a research group, and I saw that this had like field work in it, so I wanted to get outside and enjoy the nature. I was really tired of being stuck inside when classes went online. I've been with the field station, this is my second semester. I started in the fall of 2021. So last semester we did a standing wood survey to document which trees survived after the tornado hit last semester, and then this semester we've been focusing on a deadwood survey, which is trying to reconstruct what the part of the plot looked like when the tornado hit, when we didn't finish the full plot. Well, last semester I really enjoyed the teamwork that we did. We worked with a team of like 3 or 4 people, and it was very satisfying achieving a quadrant, achieving a quadrant together. And this semester it was mostly like a duo of Mariana and I. Sometimes Chris would join in. It was really interesting seeing post-tornado what the forest floor looked like, how many trees I had to climb over. But I just liked getting each quadrant done. It was very satisfying. My independent project is focused around how the wind disturbance affects the diversity of this old-growth forest. In the fall, I focused around Shannon diversity, and we used softwares like R to calculate the Shannon diversity, and we found that the diversity of the plot overall decreased from the summer to the fall, and that was expected because of the wind disturbance. So my research project in this semester, currently we're looking at beta diversity, which allows us to assess the differences in composition between different sections of the forest. And we use the software called Primer to generate a sort of graph called an MDS. And we found that the beta diversity between the fall and the summer are significantly different. So those were my independent projects. So these hands-on experiences definitely benefited me because as ecologists, as scientists, we have to be flexible. We have to learn to work around some problems. Like, for example, if there's like a huge tree, I have to navigate sort of like the easiest way to get over that tree. So finding like different ways to take trial and error definitely helps me out in daily life as well. Like I said before, flexibility is definitely the most important thing. In lab as well, most experiments don't go as planned, so we have to keep on trying, find new methods, and that can lead to better methods, more efficiency. So that definitely helps out as a scientist. To describe disturbance ecology to someone who's unfamiliar, I would say it is a major event, like a natural disaster, that affects a section, an area, that changes that area significantly. Well, it's important to not only study how the forest recovers from the disturbance, but also how it affects other communities that rely on the forest, like birds, deer, foxes. I hope that my research can inform people and also be used for future interns to work off of, because I used work of previous interns, so hopefully we can keep on building, make a bigger picture. Well, my goals as of now is to just start out with a job in the industry and then see where that takes me. I might want to continue my education or find a job that supports me to go back to school. And I enjoy learning, so it's a bittersweet experience to graduate. I'm interested in applying for the EPA. They have a recent graduate position, so I'm just looking to hear an email back from them when that position opens up. So my advice to incoming students would be, don't be scared, go out there, make tons of friends, talk to your professors, attend office hours to build those relationships. Come to Ambler, check us out. It's a nice change of pace, and just don't be scared, just do it.